Painting is an easy, inexpensive way to decorate or personalize a home. Something as simple as changing the color of a room can make the room appear larger or brighter. There are 4 basic steps to completing a paint project: preparation, priming, paint selection, and painting. Preparation involves making the substrate, that is the surface to be painted, ready to accept the paint. Priming seals and bonds the substrate, prevents stains and vivid colors from showing through, and creates a paintable surface for top coats. Selecting paint involves deciding which type of paint is best for the project. And painting obviously refers to the actual application of the paint to the substrate. About 70% of the total time spent on paint projects is usually spent preparing the substrate for the paint. A properly prepared surface should be clean, dull, and dry. Since paint will stick to whatever it's applied to, including dirt, grease, or chalk, the first step is to clean the surface with a mild detergent and water so that the paint will stick to the wall. The next part of the preparation process is to scrape off any loose paint or substrate and patch any holes, cracks, or dents with an appropriate patching product. If the substrate has deteriorated, a new coat of paint won't restore it, so it's important to fix any deterioration and its underlying cause. After scraping, the substrate needs to be sanded, especially over the areas that were patched or scraped, to get a smooth finish. All right, now the next step in a paint project, after preparing the surface, is priming. Primers have many benefits. They improve paint adhesion, they help seal porous surfaces, they block stains, and they extend the overall life and durability of the top coat. Interior latex primers should be used on drywall, concrete, patched areas, and previously painted surfaces. Interior alkyd primers should be used on properly cured plaster and wood and to block stains. Exterior latex primers are recommended for non-bleeding wood, plywood, concrete, aluminum, or previously painted surfaces that are in good condition. Exterior alkyd primers can be used on most exterior surfaces except concrete, aluminum, or galvanized metals. There are 3 main ingredients in paint: pigment, binder, and solvent. Pigments give paints their color and allow them to cover the substrate. The binder is the glue that holds the pigment to the substrate, and the solvent is what makes the paint liquid. In latex paints, water is the solvent. In alkyd paints, the solvent is paint thinner or mineral spirits. As the solvent evaporates, only the binder and pigment are left as a solid layer over the substrate. There are 3 main types of binders used in latex household paints: vinyl acrylics, 100% acrylics, and ceramic fortified acrylics. Vinyl acrylic paints are popular for interior applications. They're easily applied, they have good flow and leveling characteristics, and they provide a smooth, uniform appearance. 100% acrylic paints generally adhere better than vinyl acrylics and are more stain resistant, more fade resistant, and more durable. For maximum durability, in most cases, the best recommendation will be to apply 1 coat of an appropriate primer followed by 2 coats of a high-quality latex paint. Latex paints are the most widely used paints on the market. They dry quickly, usually within half an hour of application, and they have less odor than alkyd paints. Cleanup is easy too, because brushes and applicators can be cleaned with soap and water. There are latex paint formulas for interior and exterior applications. Interior latex paints have a smooth, blended consistency that usually eliminates any need for thinning, so they can be used straight from the can. Exterior latex paints resist blistering and peeling, and they offer excellent color and gloss retention. Alkyd paints, like latex paints, come in formulas for interior and exterior applications. Alkyd paints are durable, they flow and adhere well, and they leave few brush marks. Alkyds dry more slowly than latex paints, and they create a smooth, non-sticky film. Another important paint project consideration is the appearance of the dry paint film, referred to as the paint finish. Both latex and alkyd paints are available in a wide range of finishes. The type of finish directly affects the cost of the paint and its durability. The most common types of finishes are flat, satin, or eggshell, semi-gloss, and gloss. Flat finishes create a soft, uniform, light diffusing appearance. On exterior surfaces, a flat finish is popular on shingles and rough siding because it hides many surface defects. On interiors, a flat finish will diffuse light, hiding minor surface imperfections. Flat finishes are typically the least expensive. Flat enamels are interior flat finishes that diffuse light and hide imperfections, but they're stain resistant and easily washable. Regular flat paints are not washable. Satin or eggshell finishes have a low luster and are excellent for heavy use areas where a washable finish is desired, such as family rooms, hallways, and children's bedrooms. Semi-gloss finishes have more luster than satin finishes. They're ideal for areas such as kitchens and bathrooms where durability, scrubbability, and moisture and wear resistance are important. Gloss paints then dry to a bright, shiny finish that's easy to wash and maintain. Gloss finishes may be used on wood, plaster, metal, or any other smooth surface inside the house. Exterior applications, however, are usually limited to shutters and trim.